Hello viewers, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press that bell icon. You will get all the notification to your mobile if you press that bell icon. Let's get started with this video. Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to make a duplicate key of this original key. So this is a dimple key, you can see that, and I am using a cloth clip, wooden cloth clip to make this duplicate key. This is already made, so I'm going to do it once again for this video. So what I'm going to need is a salt pepper for filing the wooden piece and a pen to mark the grooves on the wooden piece and the original key which is used to mark the length. So let's keep watching, don't skip any part of this video, you will miss the important things. So let's get started with this video. So I'm gonna file it using this salt pepper. So here we go. So you can see the part became thinner than this middle part. You can see the slope. So here I need to file this wooden piece until this part fades off. The part is completely faded. I'm filing it towards side by side. It's about to get ready. So the front part is ready. So let's mark the grooves. So this key is not moving totally inside the lock, so I need to file until it gets key gets inside the door lock. So I'm gonna check this wooden piece with the door lock whether it fits totally inside the lock or not. So I checked with this door and the key still stuck, so I need to file little bit. So the marks are gone, so again I need to mark the grooves. So marking is over. Now I have to groove the holes. For a bigger hole I need to groove bigger hole. For small holes I need to groove small holes. I'm using this sharp scissor. So grooves are completed. Now I need to check with the door lock. Will it open or not? So viewers, these are the two duplicate keys which I made out of this original key, and these are called dimple key. The type of key I made is dimple key, which has grooves on both sides, on top and downside. So you can use this to unlock your door. You can save hundreds of rupees by sitting and doing these keys at your home. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, don't forget to press that bell icon.